Good morning students. Today's class exercise 3.17 third question. Find x and y if x plus y equal to within bracket 7035 and x minus y equal to 3004. First one write the two equation x plus y equal to 7035 you mentioned the first equation, x minus y equal to 3004 you mentioned the second equation. First of all, solve the equation and find the value of x and y. You using this elimination method only solve this equation. Which term directly cancel is a plus y and then minus y is a directly cancel the term. So directly cancel. Then x plus x you add the term is a 2x equal to. Then corresponding elements directly add 7 plus 3 equal to 10. Then 0 plus 0 is a 0. 3 plus 0 is a 3. 5 plus 4 is a 9. Next you find the value of x only. So x equal to, this one is a multiple term only given. The change into right hand side means this one is a change into divide only. So both the given elements also divided by 2 only. So 10 by 2, 0 by 2, 3 by 2, then 9 by 2. Suppose any term cancel means reduce and write the answer. This one only cancel is a 5 times. Then 0 by 2, so answer is 0, 3 by 2, 9 by 2, so x value equal to 5, 0 divided by 2 means is a 0 only, 3 by 2 not reduce the term, then only write the answer in fraction only, the 9 by 2. Okay, so this x value substitute in first equation or second equation, any one equation, you substitute this value. So first substitute in first equation. What is the first equation? X plus y equal to 7035. So x value, find out the x value, substitute this value, x equal to 5, 0, 3 by 2, 9 by 2 plus y equal to 7035. So only find the y value only. So y equal to, so already right hand side what which term only given, this term only first right. Then this left hand side term go to the right hand side, it's a plus. Plus means it's a change into negative only. So write 7035. So positive sign only given, change into negative symbol, minus 50, 3 by 2, then 9 by 2. The next bracket outside, minus symbol given means you apply the additive inverse. So y equal to 7035 plus, apply the negative symbol, minus 5, 0, minus 3 by 2, minus 9 by 2. So directly add the corresponding elements. So y equal to, first corresponding element 7 minus 5. So what is the answer? 7 minus 5 means is a 2 only. 0 plus 0 equal to answer is a 0. Next one, second row first element, 3 minus 3 by 2. One whole number, one fraction number given. Find out the LCM and reduce the term, minus 3 by 2, take the LCM term, so commonly apply the 2, first term multiply by 2, 3 2s are 6 minus 3, so what is the answer? 6 minus 3 is a 3 by 2. Next one, 5 minus 9 by 2, take the LCM is a 2 only, so first term multiply by 2, 5 2s are 10 minus 9 equal to 1 by 2, so 1 by 2. So y value 2, 0, 3 by 2 and then 1 by 2. Fourth question, if a equal to within bracket 049 837 and b equal to 738 149, find the value of 3a minus 9b. This is a scalar matrix only given. 3 into a matrix elements minus 9 into b matrix elements. You write down the elements. 3 bracket a matrix elements 0 4 9 8 3 7. So everyone is a minus symbol. So 9 bracket b matrix elements 7 3 8 1 4 9. Okay, bracket outside is a 3 into multiple by the given matrix elements and then minus 9 into this matrix elements. So multiply all the elements. So first one, so 3 into 0 is a 0. 3 4s are 12. 3 9s are 27. Then 3 8s are 24. 3 3s are 9. 3 7s are 21, then close the bracket. So middle one is a minus 9, then both the term also multiplied by minus 9 also. The middle one apply the symbol is a plus symbol. Then minus 9 into 7, only 1 minus 1 means minus 9 sevens are 63, and the next one minus 9 into 3 minus 27, minus 9 into 8 minus 72. The next second row minus 9 into 1, so minus 9, minus 9 into 4 minus 36, minus 9 into 9, so minus 81. The next step, so directly add the corresponding elements. So first corresponding elements 0 minus 63. Next one 12 minus 27. Next 27 minus 72. Second row first element 24 minus 9. Second element 9 minus 36. Next one is a 21 minus 81. So directly suppose the same sign given means add the term, different sign given means subtract the term, and then big number sign only apply the term. First one 0 minus 63. So what is the answer? Is a minus 63. 12 minus 27. 27 only is a big number. You apply the sign is a big number sign. So 27 minus 12 is a 15. Next one 27 minus 72. 72 minus 27. So sign minus 72 minus 27 is the answer. Is a minus 45. Next one 24 minus 9 is a 50. Big number sign is a positive only. 9 minus 36 is a big number sign minus 27. 21 minus 81 is a minus 60. Fifth question. Find the values of x, y and z if first one within bracket x minus 3, 3x minus z, second row x plus y plus 7, x plus y plus z, close the bracket equal to 1016. First of all check the order of the matrix. First 2 rows and then 2 columns, and then this side right hand side also 2 rows and then 2 columns are given. So order of the matrix are equal, then corresponding elements are equal. First of all, first one and then this one corresponding elements. So x minus 3 equal to 1. We mentioned the first equation. First row second element. So 3x minus z equal to corresponding element 0. This one is the second equation. Second row first element. X plus y plus 7 equal to this one corresponding element is 1. This one third equation. Fourth one. So x plus y plus z equal to corresponding elements is 6. This one is a fourth equation. Then find the value of x, y, z. First of all, one variable given means directly find out the value. So first of all, you take the first equation and find the value of x value. So first equation x minus 3 equal to 1. Then minus 3 go to the right hand side. The negative change into plus only. So x equal to 1 minus 3 change into plus 3. So x equal to 4. So directly find out the x value. Next this value substitute in any other equation to find out the remaining value of y and z. This value substitute in second equation. Substitute in second equation. 3x minus z equal to 0. What is the x value? 3 into 4 minus z equal to 0. 3 4s are 12 minus z equal to 0. Minus z equal to plus 12 change into minus 12. Both the side minus minus cancel. So z equal to 12. Then x and y z value find out. The next one more value is y value. Substitute in third equation. X plus y plus 7 equal to 1. What is the x value? 4. 4 plus y plus 7 equal to 1. So 4 plus 7 is 11. Y plus 11 equal to 1. Therefore y equal to plus 11. Go to the right hand side. So plus 11 change into minus 11. So 1 minus 11. Then y equal to 11 only big number. Big number sign is a minus. 11 minus 1 is a 10. So y value equal to minus 10. Fifth, second one. Find the value of x, y and z. First bracket x, y minus z, z plus 3, close the bracket, plus next bracket y 4 3 equal to right hand side within bracket 4 8 16. First of all, check the order of the matrix. So 1 row and then 3 columns. This also 1 row and then 3 columns. Right hand side also 1 row and then 3 columns. So order of the matrix are equal. Then directly add the corresponding element. First of all, two matrices are given. So first of all, add the corresponding elements in left hand side. First of all, corresponding elements left hand side x. What is the corresponding elements? X plus y. The next one is a y minus z. Corresponding elements is plus 4. Next one is a plus 3 plus 3 is a 6 equal to 4 8 16. The next one, then left hand side and then right hand side, write down the corresponding elements. So x plus y equal to, what's the corresponding elements? Is a 4. So first equation. Next one, y minus z plus 4 equal to corresponding elements 8. This one mentioned. Second equation, z plus 6 equal to 16 is a third equation. So find the x, y and z value. Which one is a directly find out value? Z value only find out. So z equal to 16 plus 6 change into minus 6. So z equal to 10. Next is substitute in any other equation. Only substitute in second equation only. So substitute in second equation. Y minus z plus 4 equal to 8. So y, what is the z value? Minus 10 plus 4 equal to 8. Y minus 10 plus 4 is a minus 6 equal to 8. Then y equal to minus 6, go to the right hand side, change into plus 8 plus 6. Therefore y equal to 8 plus 6 14. Next one more remaining one more value, x value only. Substitute in first equation. X plus y equal to 4. What is the y value? 14 only. So x plus 14 equal to 4. Then x equal to plus 14 change into minus 4 minus 14. Then x equal to minus 10. Today's homework. So first question, if a equal to 0 4 9 8 3 7 and b equal to 7 3 8 1 4 9, find the value of b minus 5a. Then second question, find x and y if x bracket 4 minus 3 plus y bracket minus 2 3 equal to within bracket 4 6. Thank you.